Let's see what this tick ends up. It's probably going to be a little high. Maybe it's just neutral. Who knows? It's neutral. It's neutral. Unbelievable. So we have no gap with the volume.
It's crazy.
So maybe this goes upward. Maybe Amazon just keeps moving up from the 160.
Qs
His Qs look weak.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's the same, Chris.
Perfect. Qs look weak. We got some kind of information.
Zoom's popping, Nvidia's popping.
But Amazon looks super strong right now, above the 170. Oh man, do I take that long? What do you think, Chris?
I'm on the fence, brother. I don't want it to suck back on me. Just watch the Qs. See if they pop a hammer here. It's hard by that tick.
Yeah, the tick is just totally.
You're gonna have to give $10 at least on it.
Yeah, I think we get some puts in it.
Yeah, here we go. See how it's turning. Q's getting weak.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just give it a minute.
Breaks down through the 63. We'll take it with puts. Okay.
Waiting, stalking it now.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to go down.
Yeah, still looking strong here. Bouncing off the 11 in the daily perfectly.
I'm gonna grab some puts here. Put my stop at 70, 170. Just think it's gonna relax down personally.
Easier to control the stop on that too.
Yeah, just see if I can scalp it down into the 160, 160. I have no advantage on the tick, so that's not helping me. I'm going to be out if it hits the 70. I'm going to totally be out of it. Okay, right. Super strong, isn't it?
Yeah, the tick is 0. It's sitting on 0. It's crazy. Everything else is just kind of weak.
Yeah, I just think this comes down here, but it's not holding. It's right there at the top of the channel and holding the pre-market up, though, you know? Yeah, it's super strong. I still think this comes back down to the 160.
Yeah, the tick is underneath 0 too.
It's hard to take this up. Look at Nvidia struggling too.
I know. Tesla's looking the same.
Yeah.
Zoom, everything. All of our watch lists looking the same.
The tick's coming back down. The Qs are going to get weak here.
Spike week.
This is gonna come sliding right back into here. Well, that's freaking. That's $140 up from yesterday.
It's a good thing we have a stop anyway.
Yeah, this is gonna come rolling back down. Okay. Here's your doji coming in on your 5.
There's some resistance at 3190 here. See if it
Yeah,
respects it.
you're gonna get a star coming in here. The Qs are gonna start turning red. Tick is welded right to the 0. Come on.
Let's look good here now.
Yeah, it's starting to roll over now. So I'm gonna.
You still?
I'm still in my position. I'm just trying to
Okay.
see. The reason is because I just feel like the market's weak,
Yeah.
and it's gonna come rolling down. And you know what I mean? I don't mean weak. I just mean weak. This candle, because the tick's coming down. The Qs are red. The SPY's red. And I was just waiting for this star to appear. You know.
Yeah, I'm back in with you.
I'm gonna put what you here.
You know, usually when you see a stock roll up $140, there's a good chance it pulls back a little bit. Here we go. Let's break in the pre-market high, or it's bouncing off of it, or going to blow right through it. So it gets down to 170 here. 174.
Looks strong, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's
I know,
just
it's-
it's still. Let's see if it holds this top of this 5-minute candle here. It's just hovering right on that 5-minute, 180 there. wants to come down here. Let's see what this next candle does. See if we create the morning star we're looking for on this chart. If this doesn't hold the 180, I'm out. Yeah, here we go. Come on. It's like teetering right on it, you know?
Evening star on the 5 for me. If it can hold.
Yeah, it's just that 180. It's got to hold downward or forget it. And it's a failed morning star then.
Trick is pivoting off 0.
Yeah, we just need this to come down here, just down to the 164. It'd be nice. Come on, let's go. There we go.
We just needed a puke now.
Yeah, we need it to blow through the 164 here. That would be a nice reversal. There we go. Doesn't mean this thing isn't going to run. I'm just waiting for a pullback into an upward channel. I want it to come back into the 11 here. Is that usually when they run $140 up, they usually have a tendency to come back down. You don't want to be caught long in these things. Just because it's already ATR'd. You know what I mean?
Yep.
There's the perfect trade. Yeah, this is nice. Here we go. I'm thinking 160, 316, that it's going to hit. Right on the 11. And then the lower candle is 160. There we go. I'm taking some profit. I'm going to let the rest run. 158 here. My gosh, does this pattern, do you love this pattern or what?
Yeah, it's nice. The 5 is as good as it gets. Double bar on the 10.
Yeah, this is the perfect trade.
Big inverted hammer on the 15.
So this may be it though for it. This could be a pullback into an upward channel, so be careful right here, okay? Doesn't hold a 160, I'm taking everything off the table. You know, because that's the lower part of the channel.
Mm-hmm.
I'm selling everything but 2 contracts. And see if I can dance down through the 160 here. It's right there. 157, 156. Oh, my eyes are really... I think I've been staring at this too long. Okay, I'm out.
Good trade. We'll be done for the day now.
Yeah,
Good trade.
Not a bad trade, right, guys?
Perfect.
It's
Perfect.
perfect, Daryl.
Beautiful. Thank you.
So now let's just relax a little bit, all right?
You bet.
Is this a
I got-
pullback to an upward channel? What do you think, Tony?
That's what it's looking like.
So a pullback into an upward channel. Now this thing takes off and runs $25. Okay. I just was thinking what you were thinking.
Good job. Good job.
Man, it's like I should have just got right back in when I got out. But now it's $10 up off of where I sold. Now I'm like, That's just a flat ass Gus right there.
Mm-hmm.
That trade. But the Qs are popping. I don't want to be over aggressive right now.
No.
I think we wait 3 minutes. What do you think?
I'd wait 3 minutes. See what this thing does.
So we got a hammer on the 10. It's got to break above that 5 minute candle, which would be, I think it's 168. Let's look at the 5.
3168's right in the middle of that big run up.
5 minute candles 3182. We missed that, so that's the pullback. So we could get $7-8 into the 80 if we took it. That seems aggressive. That seems an aggressive trade.
I'm not taking it.
That just seems like you could get knocked out if slams into the 64 again. You know.
Second, putting his Facebook here. Just like it too much.
Zoom's giving it up
I
to
like
you
what
guys.
you're thinking. I like the Facebook because it's easier to trade.
Yeah, I got
spreads. You know.
took
Yeah,
about
that's,
6 contracts.
that's really good. If we look at the double bar on the 5, really good. Yeah, nice. Breaking the 80, 280. Yeah, that's a nice setup there. Get a buck off it.
There you go.
I just feel like I missed the entry on this. I'm gonna wait, but it's a good trade. A really good trade. I wish I would have got in right about the 280, 50. You know. Nice job, man. Really good trade.
Yep.
It's coming right into the 21.
Took 6 contracts of this thing.
Man, that's showing it who you're commanding. You're commanding some cash here.
That's a baller, Chris.
That's you're making some cheddar time.
Look at Amazon, guys. Breaking 3153. That's the 11 one today.
Yeah, it was smart not taking that pull back up. I just didn't feel it, you know.
Yep.
It's super choppy right now, though. See how the candles sliding up and down, and the volume just dried all up. We had the huge volume to start, and then we went down to 35,000. Just
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So you're in the right position if you are puts.
Yep.